Well, if you guys don't know where we are, we're over at the Wilderness Lodge today. We're actually heading over to the Magic Kingdom. We stopped off, got a little bit of drinks out of the way. We went through the gift shop, looked at the arcade, wanted to check that out, get a fresh video of that arcade for you. But this is one of the vehicles you guys can use, the watercraft you guys can use to get yourself around the Walt Disney World area. And right now we're leaving, as I said, the Wilderness Lodge. It's gonna get a little loud with the boat because I'm sitting right over the motor. But looking back, this is what you guys get to see as we pull away. This is one of the bigger resorts on property and probably one of the #1 requested resorts to stay at. This is one of the most beautiful resorts on property, and it comes with a price tag, guys. And over to the left, you see how it's got a little slightly different color rooftop? That is actually Boulder Ridge section over there. You got Copper Creek cabins all around the outside. They're on this side and they're over on that side. Looking over here, we've got somebody fishing over there, and then in front of that's another one of the boats coming over from the Wilderness Campgrounds. So that's one of the boats. He's probably going over right now to the Wilderness Lodge to disembark. And we're actually heading over this direction. We're going over, we got the Contemporary Resort, we got the Bay Lake Tower, and over there you've got the bridge connecting the two. Now, if you guys are not familiar with this whole area, you guys can actually go up over here and watch the fireworks out on the balcony at the Contemporary. And what we like to do is go over to Bay Lake and go right up on one of the top floors, and you get to look right out the windows. That used to be the old Discovery Island where they had that little, it was like a theme park for animals. You went over there and saw the animals. That little blue thing off to the right over there to the side of the Bay Lake Tower there, that's the actual swimming pool area. Out here are the docks, and the swimming pool section over at the Contemporary is right over to the left, right before you get to this little low bungalow area. Up on top, you got the California Grill up there. Now, if you guys get a chance, usually at around 5 o'clock, you guys can turn around and go over it. And sometimes if you ask, they'll let you go up there and you get to look out the windows. Now, see them windows? This side isn't really the side you want to peek out. The other side faces the Magic Kingdom. So if you guys got a camera, you want to run out there and take a picture, you can go up there, and sometimes they do let you go out there. You do got to ask. We've been shot down, I think, the last 3 times just because it's either been too busy or they weren't set up yet, so they didn't just want us getting up there. But they always tell us if we got the time to stop by at different times, and we're always on our way either point A to point B, so we don't really have the time to do that and stuff like that. So we try to make our schedule up so we know we're headed for you. And as I said earlier, guys, we're banging out the shorts. We got me and Morgan. We're trying to get Marley to do some shorts, but she's a little shy up there. She's waving today. She got her new braces on today. They took out the rubber bands. I guess they changed the colors of them, so now she's got like purple braces. Morgan had to go down. He broke one of his eating a salad here the other day, so we had to go get his fixed. So we had to step away for the one day to come back here again today. So we're back. Little trip home just to go get the braces fixed. So here is the Contemporary Resort. This guy here is the only resort on property where you're going to go into the building with the monorail. And you guys can remember that all the way back from the beginning of Walt Disney World. Here's the guys coming over from the Magic Kingdom. We'll give them a big wave. Always friendly people on the boats, except for that guy over there. Yeah, oh yeah. So the monorails, if you guys keep posted, you'll see the monorails every now and then making their debut. I'm not seeing them right now. We're going to keep posted that way, and we're going to look over towards the Contemporary here, see if they come in or out. Now they'll go in on the right, they'll come out on the left. And that's the home of Chef Mickey's. They've got the Fantasia store in the middle there. And up on top, they do have the restaurant way up on top. I am looking around. Morgan, let me know if we got any monorails flying in behind me. I want to try to spin the camera so they get to see it. We got in the distance there, guys, peeking through the tree right now, you got Cinderella's Castle. Over to the right, you got the Astro Orbiters. And you've got the Walt Disney World Railroad right up in the middle there. Got another boat. Yay! So there's different size boats, as you can see, or they've got that boat right there. You're not going to take that one now. I'll try to look back, see if we got anything good back there. We're looking for monorails. Anything back there, bub? So we're not getting lucky on this trip over, but we're going to look in front of us now. We're heading over to the Magic Kingdom. Now you do, like I said, they do have different boat sizes. You can go over on the big one, or that little pirate ship looking one over there. Kind of reminds me of something out of like Huckleberry Finn, Tom Sawyer, something like that. In the distance, you've got the new Bay Lake Tower over there. That's the new Polynesian. We're gonna take a peek as that gets completed more, try to get that out to you so you guys can see how it might tie into the Polynesian. We're all up and kind of like wondering how that's gonna work. Space Mountain, iconic ride, Walt Disney World, been there since the beginning. Monorail going back there, you guys see a little bit of the monorail, not much, but you see it peeking through the trees. And it's getting ready, you're gonna see it go into the Contemporary. Where is it? Show your face, there you are. Monorail green going into the building, and it will come out on the other side, and that is the Contemporary to the right, Bay Lake to the left, the rounded one. Get our attention back over to the Magic Kingdom, because that's really what everybody wants to see over here. You got the Grand Floridian under construction over here to the left, the Polynesian, the bungalows out back. If you guys haven't already seen that, we do got videos posted of the bungalows. Just type up the bungalows, Polynesian bungalows, and then we're still, some of the videos are under the Country Bear Tours. You can type that out. Otherwise, we did make a name change. We are going by Mart Disney now, just because of issues with people believing we're travel agents and stuff. So we're trying to separate ourselves from that. And if you guys do have suggestions for the name change, put them down below, guys. We'll read them. If something comes up good, we'll use it. If it's nice enough, we'll use it and give you a shout out. Otherwise, we're gonna go by Mart Disney for now. That way people know it's our channel, not a tour company's channel. But in the distance, in the background, and if you guys haven't already done this, subscribe, give us a like, guys. Now would be the opportunity to do it. Don't miss out on that. You got Cinderella's Castle, you got Walt Disney World Railroad right there, you got Main Street USA, you got the ferry boat right there getting ready to go over and pick up people. And there's the monorail. We got the monorail. It's kind of like a yellowy green, so we're going to call that monorail yellowy green. Nah, it could be a yellow, could be a green. And we're getting right now ready to disembark here, but we're going to take a flashback at the Grand Floridian. We may get over there today. We're going to see. Started out a little bit late today. You got a double header on the monorails right there. That's where the yep, monorails double header coming in. That's kind of cool to see that. That's the one that we just saw going in. And if you look way over in the distance, the Contemporary's got the monorail blue coming out of it. That's pretty exciting. And then you got the green monorail there coming around. It's going to make it stop up there. Everyone's either going to disembark or get on, and or both.
You have the ducks.
And you got the ducks. And there's a look at the Magic Kingdom today. It's a beautiful day out. I'm thinking it's about 87 degrees out right now. Sun's coming down. You got another boat peeking through. You got the ferry heading over. You got the monorail in the background. You got the Wilderness Lodge way back there. A lot going on here, guys. A lot going on. Hang with us. We're over here right now enjoying this nice ride over. And here we are. So we're getting ready to say goodbye. We'll catch you guys real soon.